सॉलिड किस में चेंज हुई है? लिक्विड में. In melting, the solid state changes into. Okay, in melting, solid state changes into liquid. Okay. What are you putting in it?
Soil.
Samuela, it's your turn now. What are you putting in it? What are we making? We are making a mixture. Very good. It's your turn now. Umar, what are you putting in it?
Sugar.
Very good. Very well done. Enough of it. Now, what is this mixture called? It's called a mixture. Very good. Pass the stir to Samuela. Okay. Samuela, what are you stirring? You're stirring the mixture? Eliana, what does the mixture have?
It has soil, sugar, and grass.
Very good. Yes, Umar, start it. What do you think, Umar? Can we separate all the ingredients from the mixture?
Yes.
Are you sure? Okay, let's try it. What can you guys see below? Umar?
Clear water. It's clear water. I don't believe it.
Oh my god, it's clear water?
Even in the funnel, it's coming out as clear.
Yeah. And let's wait now. Let's wait and see what comes on the filter paper. Okay?
That is not
What do you expect, Umar?
possible.
How is that possible? I'll explain how is that possible. Because this filter paper has tiny, tiny holes in it. Like very small holes in it. Those holes only let the water pass and stops even the tiniest particle of the soil over it. Let's wait for the water to pass through the filter paper and then I'll show you what is the output. Okay? Okay. What is happening? Is the grass passing through the strainer or not? Very good. So we have separated the grass. Eliana, can you do it a little bit more? Good job. Done, done, done. Eliana, can you please tell me the name of this thing?
Stir.
What do we do with this thing?
We stir liquid.
Very good. Put it back, please. Turn to give it a try. How will you fit it in the funnel? Try it.
First, we
Somehow, okay. Good try, good try. What about you, Umar? Put your hands down. Yes. Can you tell me the name of this? Can you please be loud?
funnel.
Thank you. And can you tell me the name of this thing? Hold it. What is this?
Beaker.
Beaker. Very good. Put it down. Samuela. Nice. Good try. Can you please tell me what is this called?
Testing tube.
And what do we do with it?
We put any solution in it. For example, we can put lead, we put chemicals, and then
And what we have put in it right now?
sugar.
Thank you.
This is the dirty water before filtration, and this is the clean water after filtration. Look at the big difference. It's amazing. The dirty water before filtering water,
Yes.
and this is the clean water after filterization.
Very good.
We strain the grass, and we filter the soil, and this is dirty water.
And where is the clear water?
This is clean.
Very good. Is it clean?